Good day, everyone. We are the Group 1.
Today we will discuss case study 1 from Module 3 about government hybrid rice program in Philippines.
This program aims to increase rice production and achieve food security. The government supported farmers with subsidized seeds and fertilizer, training programs, and extension services to improve planting, irrigations, and pest control. As we discuss, we focus on the 3 questions. First, what problem was this program designed to solve, and how did government policy help? Second, what social, economic, and environmental trade-offs emerge, especially for small-scale farmers? Third, how can future policies improve productivity while ensuring sustainability and equity? While hybrid rice increase yields in some areas, many small farmers face high costs, dependency on inputs, and unequal access. Today, we will analyze these issues and suggest ways to balance technology, policy, and social responsibility in agriculture. The hybrid rice program addresses low rice yields and food shortages. The government provided seeds, fertilizers, and training extension. Workers guided farmers on proper farming techniques. This intervention increased production and contributed to national food security. However, access was uneven, favoring larger farmers.
Social effects were mixed. Some farmers gained higher yields and income, but smallholders struggled with cost. Dependence on government support and commercial products reduced autonomy. Uneven training left some communities behind. Technology alone could not solve deep-rooted social issues.
Economically, hybrid rice increased production and market supply, but high input costs lead to dip for small farmers. Environmentally, heavy farmers and water use cause soil and water concern. Productivity improves, but sustainability and equitable benefits remain challenges.
Future rice policies should focus on inclusivity and sustainability. Hybrid varieties should be combined with resilient and affordable seeds for smallholders. Training should cover climate smart and organic practices. Access to credit, low-cost inputs, and support should be ensured to benefit all farmers.
Using the statements, hybrid rice show the link between science, technology, and society. Technology improves yields, but social and economic factors shape who benefited. Policies influence access, equity, and environmental outcomes. Future policies must balance innovation with social inclusion and ethical governance.
That's all. Thank you.